Hi everybody, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm live all of a sudden today just to remind you about the bottle workshop that we are starting tomorrow. So this bottle session is all about creating vintage bottles, upcycling all your old bottles to create beautiful home decor pieces. I have done plenty of bottles over a period, and I would like to show some of the bottles that I have now with me so that you get an idea of how you can upcycle the bottles that you think are trash in your house. Okay, so we will be doing 2 bottles in our session, and but we also have other designs of bottles that I have made, but with the techniques that you are learning with me, you will be able to recreate these techniques in a different way, design different bottles with a little bit of variation from the techniques that you will be learning tomorrow. Okay. So let me begin with what will be the bottles that you will be learning in this session, and subsequently I will show you the other bottles that I have done. So this is bottle number 1. Okay, so if you see in this bottle, I have created a beautiful crown over the mouth of the bottle. Okay, and this is all done with clay. It's pretty hard and sturdy, and I have used a fabric to create a beautiful scarf around the bottle. And I have created some design with clay. I have made use of molds. You can also try to make your own beautiful clay flowers to attach them. And I will be teaching you how you have to use the clay, how it can be, stuck to the bottle without it coming off over a period of time. And even this fabric, though it is a normal fabric, it is pretty hard on the bottle, and you will find that it doesn't sag with time, and it remains like this very hard. And the crown also is so firmly fixed that I carry the bottle like this with the help of the crown, and it doesn't fall off, right? So this is the bottle that you will learn. You will learn to create the colors and the textures which look just like vintage bottles. And the other bottle, this is the same method that I have done. Only thing is I have put a brooch on the scarf to create it little differently. It's a much smaller bottle, and I have created a crown, right? And the other bottle that you will be learning is this particular bottle. This has textures, okay? You will see the sand effect here, or the cement effect, the concrete effect, whatever you can call it, okay? These textures will be given, and we have made use of, clay designs over here to have it on this bottle. So this is something that you will learn. So this is the second bottle that you will learn, and these techniques you can incorporate them on different bottles in different ways with lots of variations. So I will show you some of the bottles that I have done, okay, and these will be some inspirations for you. This is another bottle that I did using the scarf technique, where this little lady has a scarf around her face, and she also has a crown, okay. So this is another bottle that I did. Okay, with the scarf effect technique, I created a pair, okay, and this pair you can use it, for wedding, for your engagement platters, your wedding platters, the groom and the bride, right? So these kind of bottles can be created for a wedding platter or for a reception platter, okay, engagement platter, whatever, and they are very good gifting options. And I have made use of the scarf technique to create this bottle, and additionally I have done these hats, right? So these are the 2 bottles that I did using the same technique with a little bit of additional variations. So I'll put them away. This is another bottle that I did. Okay, so this was completely handmade with, you know, a house effect with two figures peeping out of the window. Okay, this is all clay work onto the bottle. So this is one such bottle, and then this is a water themed bottle. This is a mold that I made use of for the seahorse, and this has all the texture effect that we did in this bottle, right? So this I gave a cement effect, and here I have given a sea theme here. Okay, so this is made, similar textures are used, and I have pasted some shells and you know, stones and everything over here to bring about a sea theme in this bottle. Another pretty bottle that everyone would like, the bottle with the apron. Okay, this is a very simple bottle. I have created this with an apron and a chef's cap. So how are you all liking it? And then we have one bottle where I have given the patina effect. Patina effect is basically the rust effect, like, you know, when the metal comes in contact with water, you have some oxidation happening where you see some browns, oranges, green and stuff like that. So that is called the patina effect, and this is basically a bottle with all these designs and having the patina effect. So I have just created the designs a little differently. It looks like the armlet that women wear, right? So it is all about how you want to create these designs. So this is what I did onto this bottle. And then another bottle that I have done is a jean effect. Okay, a jean effect. It's a mixed media bottle. It has the jean effect. It has a zipper with all your coins here, right? So I'll show it around for you. Yes, Sangeeta, I am here to teach you all these things. So presently we have the bottle workshop for the two bottles that I showed you in the beginning. But like once you learn them, you will be able to create other bottles also with these techniques. So that is why I wanted to show you all these bottles, so that you know, you get some inspirations as to how you can use these techniques to create different variant bottles, right? So that is why I came live to show you all the bottles here. So this bottle has a zipper with all the coins here, and it has a very beautiful jean effect, right? It looks like as if it is wearing a jean, and the packet is all opened up with all the currency falling out, right? So this is the bottle. So with this I have shown you all the bottles that I have done over the last few days and months. Okay, the lockdown made me create such beautiful bottles, and it is wonderful to work with clay, because you know, clay is something where you can, you know, try to create something that comes to your mind. It helps you mold out things the way you want it. So you will learn how to stick on this clay to the bottles and make them very, very strong and make them very firm, right? And before we end the session, I think Meena ji is sharing the link for you to join the WhatsApp group. The payment details, everything will be given there. And you need not worry that post the workshop, you might tend to forget something and you wouldn't know how to do it. You don't have that problem at all, because these videos will remain there and you will have permanent access to it. So even if you are not able to attend the workshop tomorrow or the day after, it is not a problem at all, because you can watch them whenever you want at your own comfort time and at the comfort of your home. Okay, so this is a lovely opportunity for you guys to join this workshop and create beautiful pieces of bottle art for your homes. They are very good gifting options. And the fees for this workshop, I forgot to mention, is only 1050, and all the payment details will be given in the WhatsApp group. Meenal ji is sharing the WhatsApp link here, and you can click on the link to join the WhatsApp group. Then after the workshop, you will have my guidance all through for a month. Any doubts, anything, you can always give me a message and I'll help you out in clearing all your queries. Okay, and about the material list, where you can source it, and what are the alternatives for certain materials which you feel are expensive, will all be guided in the workshop. Okay, so that is something very good, because we don't want you also to make a hole into your packet and spend on very expensive stuff. So we will also help you to make your own cheaper stuff to create these things, right? So I think with this we'll come to an end. Is there anything that you want me to explain? Any questions, any queries? So I'll address them right away. We'll share you the list of materials once you enroll, and we'll also add you to the Facebook private group where you will have unlimited access to these videos. So you keep watching them repeatedly, and all of you hear lots of people doing classes on Zoom and stuff like that, or you go on one-on-one classes. So once the class is all over, you come home and you keep wondering, what did I do first? Which came first and which came later? So you either have to call your teacher back again for it. So all those confusions are not there here, because you have the videos with you permanently. You can access them any number of times, and you can keep watching them to clear all your confusions. And above all this, we will be also guiding you through whenever you have doubts, you want some contacts for buying stuff. We can guide you with all those things, and you will have no issues at all. So I think with this I'll end my session, girls. It was nice to have you all with me for a sudden session this evening. Hoping to see you all in tomorrow's workshop. It will be wonderful to have you there. Okay, I would like to interact with all of you. So let's see you all tomorrow. Click on the link and join the WhatsApp group. With that, I'll just say bye to all of you. Bye girls. Bye Meenal ji. Bye bye. Thank you.